A Boolean search is a search technique that allows users to combine keywords with operators or modifiers, such as and, not, and or, to further produce more relevant results. By using Boolean operators, you can reduce or expand your results. There are 5 Boolean operators and 6 wildcards. And. Anytime you use and in capital letters between two words, your search will find only results that contain all the search terms. For example, a Boolean search could be hotel and New York. This would limit the search results to only those documents containing the two keywords. Or. Anytime you use or in capital letters between two words, your search will find results that contain any of the search terms. This can be useful if your term has synonyms or individuals who may not be listed individually. In our previous example, you might search for hotel and New York or Big Apple. This broadens your search. Anytime you use not in capital letters between two words, your search will exclude specific words. In our example, you might exclude the main city with a search string like hotel and New York, not New York City. Parentheses work like the order of operations in math. Put parentheses around things you want done together. The search does those first, then the other parts. They most commonly appear around or search strings. Our example of the or operator might better be expressed as hotel and parentheses New York or Big Apple, close parentheses. Use quotation marks to ensure words are searched together. Without quotation marks, the search term New York would find every instance of the word new as well as every instance of the word York. By putting the terms in quotation marks, you're telling the search engine to only find instances of both words together in the same order. Wildcards are a very important part of Boolean searches. They're called wildcards because they allow the search tool to find variations on a word. You do not have to enter student, study, studied, students, or any other variation to find all or some. This list is a brief overview of what each of the wildcards are and what they do. We're not going to talk about each one here. You can always refresh your memory on the library website or one of the many websites about Boolean operators. One in particular to remember is the asterisk. You can put that anywhere in a search string. It takes the place of any number of letters. You do not have to search for plurals or other variations of words. One search will do it all with an asterisk. Boolean operations work best when used in combination with each other. You can set up a string of synonyms inside parentheses using or so that you can be sure you get everything that means the same thing. Here we see World Health Organization and several synonyms for New York. You can use any of the modifiers as often as necessary to narrow your search. Imagine searching all those New York City acronyms and statistics without adding the word crime. You would get income, population, and every other demographic you can think of. Having a good understanding of Boolean operators is the best way to get the most from your searches. As always, please contact the library if you have any questions. We're here for you.